Hey, hello class. So basically what this video is going to detail is how to work on your homework assignment, the Greek worksheet 1. I know that we didn't have a whole lot of time at the end of class to give you an explanation, so I want to give you that explanation now. So what you have here on your screen is the revised Greek worksheet. Like I said, we didn't go over the third declension, and that's okay. So I eliminated all the third declension questions that you have to answer. So this is the first page of your homework. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down for text 1. You have John 1, 1 through 5, and text 2, which is the book of Acts, chapter 2, 1 through 4. Here's the first exercise, okay? According to the directions, I read, please decline all highlighted words from text 1 and 2 and give its lexical form as well as declension pattern, okay? The word decline here, I didn't talk about that, nor did I explain that in class, but what declining a noun means is basically you are providing me the case, the gender, and the number of the word that I want you to decline, okay? So you're just providing me the case, gender, and number, okay? And then continuing on, I'm not asking you to do all of them, just the highlighted words. So let's just do one for example, okay? Let's do this first one right here, RK, all right? And so RK is your first example. So we'll scroll back down here in text 1, all right? We have the first column, okay? The first column is the declined form. What the declined form is basically whatever is highlighted here, okay? So the very first highlight is RK, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write RK in this box right here, all right? I'm going to make it a little bigger, okay? RK, all right? And what I'll do is just put it in the middle here. And so I'm going to write the declined form. RK, okay? So just like I have it up here. All right? So I write RK, okay? That is the declined form. Now, based on the declined form, I want to give the case, gender, and number, okay? So the case in this one is, because of that Yoda subscript, it is a dative. Whoops, let me fix that and write it in English. It is a dative, okay? It is a dative, all right? The gender, because of that final vowel, is a feminine. Remember, the first declension words, majority of them are feminine. So based on this, it is a feminine word, okay? All right? And then the number, when I ask for number, I'm asking if it is a singular noun or a plural noun, okay? And so in this case, based on the dative and feminine, remember Yoda subscript and everything, this is a singular form of the word, okay? So I just declined the word right now. I just provided the case, the gender, and the number, okay? The next thing that I'm going to do is I want to provide the lexical form, Now what the lexical form is basically the form of the noun or the word that you will find in a dictionary, all right? The lexical form of the word is what you'll find in a dictionary, okay? And it is always, for nouns, it is always the nominative singular form. The nominative singular form, okay? So what I'm going to put in the lexical form here is the nominative singular form of this word, okay? Now, I want to add a note here. Sometimes the declined form is the nominative singular, okay? So if it's the nominative singular, then the lexical form is going to be the exact same answer, all right? So just keep that in mind, all right? But for the lexical form, I'm going to find the lexical form for this word right here, okay? If I know that it's a dative feminine singular and it ends with an eta, the lexical form of this word is going to be an eta, okay? And let me just make it larger. again, and then so the lexical form, which is the nominative singular form, is as follow: alpha rho chi eta. Okay, alpha rho chi eta, and that's it. That's it. Now the final thing that I'm asking for in exercise 1 is the declension. And like I said, I didn't teach third declension, so you only have a choice between the first and the second declension, okay? And because it ends with an eta, this obviously is a first declension. And let me change that. Okay? So that's what I'm asking you guys to do for this homework, for exercise 1. All right? So again, go back up here, just the highlighted words, all right? And then give me the answers that you think is best. All right, so that's for exercise 1. You got to do it for text 1, this box for text 1, and then you do it for text 2 right here. Okay? Great. Now, the exercise 2 is this. Using the vocabulary list, choose a masculine, feminine, and neuter word and provide all forms for each of them. Basically, what I'm asking you to do is what I showed you with the examples. All right? So if I could show you, remember how during the presentation, during class, I gave you the different forms? Okay. That's what I'm asking you to do based on choosing the vocabulary from vocabulary list 1. Okay? So do what you see here, but do it by your own choice from the vocabulary. Okay? So hopefully that this explanation will help you with your homework. And as always, if you have any questions, just feel free to email me. Okay? All right. Thanks, guys.